In front of me is OnePlus 6T, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. Begin by launching an app that you wish to use on the top half of your screen and accessing it in the background. To do that with Tricky's navigation, use the square button. Then hold your app and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, select split screen and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!